Hello everyone. Hope you all are fit, fine, happy and healthy. My name is Rashmi. I'm a biology educator. I've done my masters in bioinformatics from Banaras Hindu University. Then I did research on cancer. Then from last 6 years I'm into teaching profession. As we know, biology is a branch of science which deals with the study of living organism. It means life, right? So today with me, you people are going to see the beauty of life from the eyes of science. So are we excited? Yes. So let's start. We will start with the very first chapter of 10th standard, that is life processes. So when you heard the term life processes, what comes to your mind? The processes which are essential for maintaining as well as sustaining the life are known as life processes. वो सारे प्रोसेस जो लाइफ को मेंटेन रखने के लिए, साथ ही साथ उस मेंटेन कंडीशन को सस्टेन करने के लिए ज़रूरी होते हैं, हम उसे लाइफ प्रोसेसेस कहते हैं. What does it mean? Say for an example, today I'm healthy and I started eating junk food like pizza, burger, like you like momos, pani puri. So what will happen? Am I able to sustain that healthy condition which I have maintained for a longer duration? You will say, no ma'am, for this you have to eat healthy food like vegetables, like cereals, like chapati. So yes, so all those processes which are essential for maintaining as well as sustaining the life are known as life processes. Let's take an example of this. Example like nutrition. If we stop taking nutrition today, क्या हम living रह पाएंगे? No. Like circulation, like respiration. So I know now अब सबके दिमाग में आ रहा होगा. So all those topics which are enlisted in this our chapter, they all are essential life processes, right? So first of all we'll start with the nutrition part. So what is nutrition? बचपन से ही हम सुनते आ रहे हैं कि बेटा अगर मैगी एंड चिप्स खाओगे तो न्यूट्रिशन नहीं मिलेगा, चपाती खानी पड़ेगी, सब्जी खानी पड़ेगी, राइट? सो व्हाट इज न्यूट्रिशन? अगर मैं एग्जाम्पल के आपसे बोलूँ, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल कि मैं आपके हैंड पे एक एप्पल रख देती हूँ या चपाती रख देती हूँ. चपाती कंटेन्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट, राइट? वी ऑल एग्री, राइट? सो क्या उस चपाती से मुझे नरिशमेंट मिला? सो विल से नो मैम, यू हैव टू ईट इट. सो खाने के बाद ऐसा क्या हुआ दैट it gives me nutrition, it gives me nourishment, and when it is on my hand it is not able to give me nutrition. आप बोलोगे मैम आपने उसको डाइजेस्ट कर लिया. सो एक्चुअल में हुआ क्या? द कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म ऑफ द फूड दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द चपाती, राइट? द कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड इज ब्रेक डाउन इनटू छोटे छोटे पीसेस में, जैसे हम सीजर से कट करते हैं, राइट? इज ब्रेक डाउन इनटू सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस. बट हम इतनी मेहनत कर क्यों रहे हैं? Why we are working so hard? To get so that our body can absorb it, right? Our body can absorb it. But क्यों absorb करना है? To get energy, right? To get energy. That whole process is known as nutrition, right? So the complex of breakdown of complex food material into simpler substances so that our body can absorb it, that whole process is known as nutrition. Further, on the basis of mode of nutrition, the whole living organisms are categorized into two categories. First one is autotrophs and second one is heterotrophs, right? So that we will discuss in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.